It was a good setup. Good setup. Teach y'all how to make some sea moss gel. You got the sea moss weight man right there. Pablo sea moss Gabar.
Elevate, ascend. Only thing I know is when gotta get more bread with my dog. This the season to eat like hogs. Don't hate, don't stab, we getting off. And we on the stage cause we born to be a boss. Yeah, they some cha-ching, the sound of the cat.
You already know what's gonna happen, man. We're making a good little video, man. Teach the people how to make sea moss gel, you know what I'm saying? Going down for real. This is that raw stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? This is what it look like straight out the bag. About to get ready to clean it up and show you what that look like. Coming next.
Broadway, 3 a.m. It was late as fuck. Sitting where you at 10 just to see who up. 544 sliding, it was dark as fuck.
So this is why it's so important to clean it. Because if you look, man, it's a lot of stuff, it's a lot of debris that comes on it, you know what I'm saying? Because this stuff is coming straight off of the rock, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of times, the base of the plant literally has sediment attached to it, like this is a really good one. See what I'm saying? See how it's coming just straight off the rock? So you have to soak that and clean that, you know?
I'm amazing, born to win. Got a big back and it ain't no need to flex, bro. All I try to do is work for the check car. It just come to and through for the network. I gotta level up and sink car. And if you catch me sweating, it'll never drip, bro. I'm trying to get so.
She got the ice with the cook gun.
Ooh, she got the big rollie on. Dang, let me hold some, mom. Big cheese.
Don't hate, don't stab, we getting off. And we on the stage cause we born to be a boss. Yeah, they some cha-ching, the sound of the cat. Put it in machine, turn it back. At the end when the back.
This right here, you know what that is. We always bless the people with a little bit of bladderwrack, you know what I mean? Just because, you know, you need this. You need this. This is essential for the body right here, man. Tell me.
Show y'all something that's really important.
The squeezy. The lime is important because of its acidic nature. You know what I mean? It really helps you get all that extra dirt and grime off the moss. I'm telling you. And that's why we offer citrus flavors too. Check them out online.
Bitch, I'm on a rise. Ain't looking down, no one around in my life.
Another important part of the process, sanitize. You have to clean the jars. You know what I mean? So what we like to do is boil it in a little bit of water. Ain't that right, mom? Yeah, I saw. My gang. Well, there. Madre. Oh, I want to see the High Hue side. Scared. I love that mask there. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I got the shirt to match.
Around, you gon' get hit. Bitch, I'm on a rise. Ain't looking down, no one around in my lane on the gas every time I ride. My mama proud, we blowing loud, flying through the clouds, we on the way to paradise.
See what I'm saying? This is why it's important. Look at that. Ugh. Imagine if we weren't cleaning it, taking our time and doing it right. That's gross.
I'm turning up on them. I'm getting paid, get out my way, I'm getting bucks on them. I am the wave, drip like a babe, these bitches want some. Hit the road for a play, through them stays, gone for days, shit so crazy, ran through 4 on. Put my emotions in that music, cause I don't know how to show it. Got this torch in my hand and I ain't trying to blow it. Got the world in my hand and now it's time to show 'em. Do a show for them bands, I used to rock promoters. Niggas act like they your friends and don't do no promotion. But it's Cheech and Chong every time a nigga smoking. Glock on the passenger cause it's my best friend. I'ma make it to the top because I'm destined. Keep them demons off my back, can't get the best of me. See a nigga bling blow shining up, he don't wanna fight me. Pissed off mad cause this little bitch wanna ride me. IG, she say she really had to come and find me. My YG's picky sick and out, it ain't no hiding. It's by cheese, ain't no ratting, get rich, I trying. Best believe, nigga, you gon' die if you try me. Think twice, after that ain't no rewinding. I'm turning up on them, I'm getting paid, get in my way, I'm getting bucks on them. I am the wave, drip like a babe, these bitches want some. Hit the road for a play, through them stays, gone for days.